Hi, welcome to Yum's Cuisine Island Treasure Pots. If you enjoy different dishes from different cultures, ethnicities, and countries, then this channel is for you. If you want to learn how to make the best lemon pepper chicken wings in the world, then I recommend that you continue watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now let's jump right into this video. I have here my cleansed chicken pat dry, and we're going to start with our black pepper. You want to add a generous amount of black pepper here, guys, and the ingredients will be in the description box below, so check it out. So as you can see, I've used a moderate amount of black pepper, and this ain't no regular lemon pepper chicken with just lemon pepper and black pepper. We have here some all-purpose seasoning as well. We're gonna spice this up really good, as well as some ginger powder. And feel free to use any spice you like. Make it your own. Some white pepper. Some cayenne pepper. Some chili powder, some garlic powder, some Chinese white pepper powder, and guys, this is the secret. I think I'm gonna put some more of that. This is the secret. We have some Maggie flavor the pot, and we're using the spicy cock, and of course this the lemon pepper. And you want to put a good amount in here. After all, this is the star of this recipe. You also want, if you have on hand, to squeeze some lemon juice in there to get that extra tanginess. So I'm putting a generous amount of the lemon pepper spice. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? Click that red subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Now you just want to rub this in before adding the oil. And I'm using vegetable oil. It's going to be like the adhesive for the seasonings to latch onto the chicken. So you want to rub that in, and then you want to set it aside for approximately 2 to 3 hours or overnight if you can. It's gonna be the best. And don't leave this video as yet, the best part is coming. So if it's anything about wings that I've noticed is that everyone loves it crispy. So I have here some cornstarch and flour in my bowl, and to this I'm adding my black pepper. Guys, trust me when I say this is going to be really crispy and crunchy and so mouth-watering. Your mouth is just going to fill up with, guys, trust me. So now we're going to add our lemon pepper. Yes, we are including it into the flour as well. We are building flavor. You want this chicken to be flavor packed. Again, you want to put the lemon pepper spice with a good amount because it's lemon pepper chicken we're making. Yes. Also some white pepper. and some chili powder. And you want to incorporate that into the flour and cornstarch mixture. Well, we know what coming up next is to flour the chicken or drench the chicken and then get it into the oil. So here we have our chicken that has been sitting for 3 hours. And now we are going to get it coated in the flour. And no, I'm not using any milk or eggs or water. We're just putting it in the cornstarch, flour and spice mix, getting it coated properly. You want to coat it properly, and then we're going to get it into the oil. Do not leave it after coating. You want to coat it right before putting it into the oil. So here we have our hot oil, and I'm just going to put my chicken wing pieces in here. Now you can deep fry this if you choose to, but I save in my money and my oil. So this is how I'm going to do it. Don't judge me. Now you don't want to crowd the pan too much because you don't want the temperature of the oil to drop. You want to put this on medium to high heat when doing these chicken wings. Get your stove low. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't done this as yet. And guys, our chicken is ready. Look at our chicken, how crunchy, and you can see the crisp already on these chicken wings. Oh my god, I cannot wait to dive into these wings. And you want to put this on a cooling rack. You don't want to put it so that it will get soggy wings. And now guys, remember I told you about the best part? Well, this is it here. We have here some melted butter, our lemon pepper spice, and some black pepper. Also, I'm going to be putting some chopped chive. Yes guys, fresh chopped chives. And you just want to combine that, and this is going to add some zest to this chicken wings. You can squeeze some lemon juice in there as well. I don't have any on hand. It's kind of hard to get where I am, but squeeze some lemon juice in that, and watch me, everything just going and turn up like 10 times, turn up. So you want to coat the chicken wings in that sauce that we just created, and then that's it. Time for the eating. And guys, you will not be disappointed. Trust me on this. So I plated it for it to look a bit fancy, because I'm going to turn into a savage on these wings, but you can't see that. So once again, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a juicy thumbs up and share it on all your social media platforms. Comment down below so that YouTube can push out this video for others to see, and subscribe to my page. Thank you for the support.